He's killing it.
Y'all see all that? Psycho Vision, Illumabezel. Taking it down there now. Bam. Y'all see that? Plugs into your OEM harness. But the thing is that, you see those two plugs? These are aftermarket lights and they ain't gonna fit, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna gangster it. I'm gonna do a little drill little hole here on the side. Drill a hole here on the side. Make those wires longer and push them through to the back and wire them right there. Holla at your boy, Jip. That's nigga intuition. Alright, y'all, this vessel, bam, does come with a kit. I have no idea how this motherfucker works, but I can guess. I'm gonna try to do that before I cut these. I just got it. Ain't no videos on this bezel thing, so just have to wing it. Here we go. So if I had to guess, bingo. Bingo is his name-o. Chia, okay. So that snapped right in there. So I guess that's where they go. Now all this other shizzle. Okay. So I'm gonna see, maybe I'll take the light off or I'll just drill around it. Which I think I'm gonna drill around it. I'll get back to y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, so you know my shit's chopped and screwed hood, so I'm gonna use none of the harness. But it does come with a harness, as you can see, for you to put it right in that bezel. But again, I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these two wires, cut this little head off. I'm gonna cut that head off, and then we're gonna go ahead and make it longer. Jip. Y'all should see, black's always negative, so black is always negative. Like this one has black and brown. Brown will be positive. This one has black. It looks like pinky noble, so pink will be positive. Jip. Alright, y'all, let's get down to the flow. Get it to the flow. Alright, now I'm gonna extend these longer. I gotta do it to both sides. This is already, so it's already interwoven. It was pre-done by Texas Jizzo, my Nizzo. Now I'm just gonna cut here in the middle and have one for each side. Alright, here we go. One for that side, one for the other side. And we're gonna put that together. Alright, y'all, it's time. You know it's good when you gotta take the sticker off. Actually, I'm gonna leave it on. And the patent too. Alright, so y'all see those? This is where it goes. Bam. These, I'm gonna run through the inside of the light. See if I can do it both at the same time. Right through there. I'll get it through there. Just gotta finagle it through. And I'll do that on both sides. And then I'll connect it to the headlight. I'll holla. All right, y'all. Let's see. So I can get it up for y'all, but as you can see there, that bad boy's on. And they snap right in. And it's a cover. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good. I'll show y'all once it's done. Now I gotta go on the inside. But before I do that, I gotta put a little rag-izzle for my nizzle. Don't get scratch sizzle. Alright. I gotta get the Snoop rag out. Alright, bam. My bad for the camera work. But it do what it do when it's doing it. Alright, so these over here are the lights. So pretty much these are gonna go there. Boom. And these are gonna go there. Booyah. Blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, time to connect the bad boys. Bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? I'm running. I'm running. I'm gone. You got to work for me. You ain't gonna get me that easy. Y'all, I'm just trying to set it up, man, so y'all can see what I use. These little handy dandy dizzle whizzles. I might have the real name for them. Watch. Y'all, these are quick nizzles. My nizzles. Damn. I might have to get 4 of these. Yeah. They come like this one. Okay. The little clip. You put your wires in there. You cinch it down, and then you lock it. Watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Got the two blacks together. That's gonna bite into them. Man, always check your shit. And bingo. That's it. Put one wire in the other one. The other one you put on there. We'll do it one more time for people like me, slow. There we go. We got the bad boy. We're going red this time for the power. You know how we do. Share, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. There we go. Now that one goes in here. The cut one goes in there. And that slot is for the open one, which is going to be the white one. And as you see, the white one is solid, it's not cut. Just slap that bitch in there, slap it on the back, slap it on the back. There we go. And clamp that down. Hope y'all can see, I know it's getting late. Back or boogie. There we go. Bam. I'm done. I'm dumbass. Now I just gotta do the other side, yo. I'll knock it out real quick, man. This video ain't gonna be too long. This is the end. Let's go. So y'all can see, there's the blue things. They snap right on. Just like that one. It's all good in the hood. Jip. Alright, that'll cut it. Next time y'all see it, it'll be on the actually working. Yeah, what it do, y'all? I'm out here chilling. About to check out the lights on the Illumabezel. My bad, y'all. Shit is late, y'all. But anyway, I had to stay up till y'all could see it. So hold on. That shit was pretty easy. All the stuff was self-explanatory. Check out the video. Look at that. You see that little yellow? See that yellow? That shit, that motherfucker bright. Look at that bright lights.
And that's what I'm asking. I take a plan and I'm back to back and hit that nigga check about it. I take the work, flip it acrobatic, got a little talking, a lot of talent, doing a little talking and a lot of hands. See the competition, we not a challenge, I lead. I'm moving from all parts, doing this shit. Backed out, but I can't come up with it. Talk to in this shit. Girls from Long Island, barely was barely 21, that's barely.
Alright, y'all seen that? So that'll do it, man. Make sure you subscribe, share, like. Hopefully this video is great enough to make them slap your mama.